astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore would be facing another round of delay for their long-awaited return to Earth. Both astronauts have been stranded since June 2024 at the International Space Station for more than 6 months now. Originally, the mission was set for a brief period of 1 week, but now their stay is expected to stretch to 10 months because the rescue mission is postponed until spring 2025. But why is there a constant delay in bringing the astronauts back to Earth, and what has happened so far? The astronauts will remain in orbit even longer due to a delay in the launch of SpaceX's Crew 10 mission. Crew 10 was originally set to replace the current Crew 9 team and bring Williams and Wilmore home in February 2025, but its launch has been delayed until late March. NASA officials have announced that SpaceX needs more time to prepare the new capsule for liftoff. This schedule will be accomplished by late March. The US government agency even floated the idea of using a different capsule from the Elon Musk company to launch the replacement crew to keep things on schedule. So what has happened so far? For the unversed, the astronauts reached the ISS in June this year on Boeing's Starliner, which faced issues like thruster malfunctions and helium leaks, ultimately causing NASA to return it to Earth without crew. This initial spacecraft was deemed unsafe for their return, and hence, while the Starliner landed on Earth, the astronauts were left behind. Eventually, Sunita Williams and Wilmore remained on the ISS while NASA adjusted plans. However, despite all this, the astronauts are keeping the festive spirits high and are already preparing for Christmas.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.